Hello and welcome everybody. I'm your host Water Pump. Today we're going to be changing out the taillight circuit board on this 2008 Chevy Trailblazer. To get all started, we just need to open up the back and remove these two Phillips screws from the taillight to remove it. Once that's done, we just pull it straight out. We disconnect the wires from the circuit board and the taillight's off. After which we remove the three Phillips head screws attaching the circuit board to the taillight itself. Once those are out, we lift it right out and the circuit board is out. Be it that I know for a fact that the issue is in the circuit board and not the bulbs themselves, and the bulbs were just changed very recently, I'm going to go ahead and reuse the old bulbs from the old circuit board into the new circuit board, using gloves to make sure I don't transfer oil onto the bulbs, thus giving them a shorter lifespan. And reinstallation is going to be in complete reverse order of everything I just did. I highly recommend reinstallation is done with hand tools and not electric tools like I am doing. I am a highly trained idiot, and I would just say do as I say and not as I do. Once the circuit board's reinstalled, we'll go ahead and reconnect the electrical connector to the board and line up the two pegs on the taillight and push it in. And then we'll get our two Phillips screws shot back into place. Once again, disclaimer, as I continue to prove how weapons grade stupid I am, do as I say, not as I do. Now, just like any good mechanic, we verify our repairs, go ahead and get her fired up, and check all of our light functions, making sure that they all work properly. Well, that's repair complete. Thank you all so very much for watching. I appreciate you all following me along with this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was entertaining and informative for you. Please like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. I have more videos on Trailblazer repairs on this channel, as well as I have videos on my Drift Mazda Miata build series, and I do tool reviews as well. Furthermore, anytime I'm making any kind of automotive repair and I can have a video camera recording, I try to do that because I love making automotive content. Thank you all so much again for watching. I've been your host, Water Pump. Y'all have a good one.